you must be careful. While purchasing an iPhone from open market, especially when buying from non-authorized sources. With the holiday season just around the corner, the temptation of attractive deals could lead to possible pitfalls where counterfeit products floods. Understanding how to verify the authenticity of an iPhone is essential in safeguarding your investment and ensuring you receive a genuine device. The first step in assessing the authenticity of your iPhone is to inspect its packaging and included accessories. Genuine Apple boxes are known for their elegant construction, featuring high-resolution images and precise text. Counterfeit boxes often betray their nature through subpar printing or loosely fitting covers. Additionally, the accessories packaged with your iPhone should be consistent with Apple's standards. Authentic charging cables, for instance, should feel substantial and display the Designed by Apple label, while counterfeit ones might seem lightweight and poorly made. The next crucial step is verifying the serial number and IMEI. Each iPhone possesses a unique serial number and IMEI, serving as fingerprints confirming its authenticity. Locate your iPhone's serial number by navigating to Settings General About. Enter this number on Apple's Check Coverage page to reveal valuable information about your device, including its model and warranty status. Additionally, dial start hash or 6 hash to access the IMEI number and ensure it matches the one noted on the box and SIM tray. A mismatch or an error on Apple's site indicates a likely counterfeit product. Another examination point lies in the iPhone's build quality. Genuine Apple products feature a solid and flawless feel, lacking gaps or loose components. The buttons should offer smooth clicks, and the Apple logo on the back must be perfectly aligned. Take note of design features that correspond with the specific model you intended to purchase. Dimensions such as screen size and weight should match. For a closer inspection, consider removing the SIM tray to check for any visible flaws, as counterfeit models often showcase rough edges. Lastly, checking the software and features is a straightforward yet effective method to detect a fake iPhone. Genuine devices operate on Apple's iOS, so ensure your iPhone's software is up to date by navigating to Settings General. Software update. Be cautious of devices running Android disguised with an iOS-like interface. Try using iPhone-exclusive features such as Siri. Simply say, "Hey Siri," or hold down the power button. And if Siri doesn't respond, you may well be holding a counterfeit device. Always trust your instincts, and when in doubt, seek assistance from an authorized Apple service center to confirm your device's authenticity.